This is the elevator at a condo building in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is an old elevator of jail Blackman's. Not sure where it is. Probably like a Hadfield or a Hadfield or something. Go down to ground. Interior down. It's a new door operator. Something was done in 2022. Your ground. To 3. Interior lock. New motor as well. New 3. Back down to 1. COP, there's a Hadfield sticker there because they maintain it. I'll add Hadfield's number. It's a basic and nice, like textured cab. Feel it a little bit. It's weird, it's on the records of 2022. It says all mod, but this elevator, I think they just replaced the operator and the number. The controller and the fixtures are all still original. It's really